Play-Doh today for all those busybody kids at home that have driving. Okay. Hey everyone, today we're gonna make Play-Doh, and this is a really fun, simple activity and recipe that you can do with your kids at home. So here are the ingredients. We've got 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, a half a cup of salt, and we need some food colors to change the color of your Play-Doh. So, oh, and also we need some oil. We've got sunflower oil here. You can use vegetable oil or coconut oil, and about 1.5 cups of boiling water. And that's it. So we're gonna start with flour. So I've already added 1 cup of boiling water with the added purple color dye, and now we're gonna add another about half cup. We don't want to put too much. Just kind of gotta get a feel for the consistency. Okay, we're gonna stop there. We're gonna give it a little mix. As you can see, it's starting to form. Should have a little bit of water left over. Just kind of add a little bit here and there. So the kids can help with this part. They love to mix stuff up. Kind of looks like cookie dough, but you want to remind them not to eat it. And now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or you can use any kind of oil like vegetable oil, coconut oil. There's 1. Gives it a little moisture. And at this point, you can kind of get your hands into it once all of the oil is mixed in there. So you can pretty much mix it all together here in the bowl, or find a nice spot on your countertop. Just keep mixing it all together. And that's it. This is our homemade Play-Doh. And it'll last about 3 to 4 weeks depending on usage. And to store it, I like to use Ziploc bags or little Tupperware containers with lids, and just seal it up real tight. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. Have fun, stay positive. This is day 3 of social distancing. We can do this. This is my amazing helper, Perrin, and he's showing us what he can build with that Play-Doh that we made. And I just want to say thank you to him and to you guys for tuning in. Have fun.